Good morning. We're going to talk a little bit today about concentrations, specifically a term called molarity. It's a way that we can measure the concentration of different solutions. Let me start a whiteboard. Okay, so molarity try again. Molarity is equal to moles of solute. Remember, solute is what's being dissolved. It's the lesser amount divided by the liters of solution. All right, simplified, it's just capital M is equal to moles over liters. Okay. Now, it's very important that you have the solution in liters and that the value for the solute is in moles. Okay. And it's very important you also use a capital M. The lowercase m is something else. All right. Example problem. We're going to use several. All right. Okay, what is the molarity of 5 liters of solution that has 2 moles of NaCl dissolved in it? Okay, the 2 moles of NaCl is my solute. It's divided by the 5 liters of solution. Okay, so M is equal to 2 over 5. So that's going to be equal 0.4 molar. And that's your answer. Not that hard, it's just division. All right, there's some curveballs that we could throw at you. Let's do another one. 440 grams of carbon dioxide is dissolved in 2 liters of a solution. This would be like a carbonated beverage, like a Coke or Dr. Pepper. I say, what is the molarity? So M, M is equal to moles over liters. However, we don't have moles. We have a mass. If you recall back to when we started talking about moles, that we can convert mass to moles using the molar mass. CO2 has a molar mass of 44 grams per mole. And we get that by saying carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, but there's 2 of them. That comes out to be 44 grams per mole. So I could divide 440 by 44, and it gives me 10 moles. Then I could divide, I go back up here. Now I have my moles, and I have my volume, liters. So that's 5 molar is my answer. All right. Now, another way this could come at you would be to say you've got 6 moles of a solute. It doesn't matter really what it is. Dissolved in 500 milliliters of solution. So I have my moles, but this is in milliliters. So I have to convert that to liters. So my molarity would be 6 moles over 0.5 liters, because 500 milliliters is 0.5 liters. And that would equal 12 moles. Okay? Now, another example would be, you've got let's say a 10 molar solution is made using 5 moles of, let's say magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, that's Epsom salt. We ask, what is the volume? Well, you have your equation here. You've got moles, or excuse me, you have molarity, which is, oops, put that wrong, which is 10, and you have moles, which is 5, but you don't have your liters. So you have to solve for the L. The easiest way I know to do this is set up like cross multiplications. 10 over 1 is equal to 5 over L, and you cross multiply. So you end up with 10L equal 5. And that gives you, that goes out to, you divide by 10, and it means the answer would be 0.5 liters. Now, another they could come at it is how many grams of potassium chloride are needed to make 10 liters of a 2 molar solution. This is what I do all the time when I'm making solutions in my classroom. So it's asking for grams, but we know from our molarity problem we can get moles. I'll show you how to handle that in just a minute. So first we have our molarity, which is 2. We have moles, but we have volume, which is 10 liters. Again, it can be 2 over 1 equals moles over 10. Cross multiply, that means it's 20 moles is the answer here. But we want grams. So we have to find the molar mass of KCl. Let me erase that line, it's going to be confusing. All right. So KCl, K is 39, Cl is 35. So you have to get 74 grams per mole. Then you multiply 74 times 20, and it comes out to be, I'm going to do this in my head, hold on, 1,480 grams, and that's your answer. I hope this has been helpful. I hope we can, you can get through all this. You'll have a quiz, or you'll have practice with it on Canvas with a couple of quizzes. And if you have problems, you can always Zoom me. Remember, 2 o'clock every day. We have Zoom, or you can contact me. We can set up another time. Be safe. Be careful. I missed all like crazy. See you later.